Welcome or welcome back. I'm George Pierce. Thanks for watching. This video is about making money online. It's about making $100 a day, at least $100 a day, $200 a day or more from the comfort of your home at your own pace, and it's all for free. This is the second video in an affiliate marketing training series, and specifically it's a keto diet training series, but stick with me because you can use this information in any niche, so it doesn't matter what your niche is. This is going to be of help to you. Now, I've been joking around that there's a lot of talk going around. This video series is going to be the best affiliate marketing series to ever happen on YouTube. Of course, right now all that talk is coming from me, but the fact is that you're about to take an affiliate marketing ride, the affiliate marketing ride of your life. So buckle up and enjoy, because it's going to be profitable and it's going to be fun. Let's get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is go to a site called ClickBank, clickbank.com. If you are not a member of ClickBank, it is an affiliate network and it's free to join. Once you join, log in and then click on Marketplace. Next thing you want to do is type in Keto, K-E-T-O, into the search box and then sort by gravity. When you do that, the custom keto diet should be at the top. At the time of this video, it was the #1 selling keto diet. Now, you will find a link below to the first video, which will kind of give you an overview of what you're in for, because you're in for a lot. But in this video, we're going to focus on the custom keto diet. And let me give you a little bit of background on a little bit of overview on the keto diet, also known as the ketosis diet. And what that is, it's a low-carb, high-fat diet. It was discovered about 100 years ago that when you lower your carbs, your intake of carbs, to under 50 carbs per day, and your body is going to run out of its regular fuel like blood sugar. 3 or 4 days, it's going to start breaking down protein and fat and use that for energy, and this is what's called a state of ketosis. And of course, this has been found to be an excellent way to lose weight. There are a lot of positives about this diet. There's also some negatives. I'm going to get into that later in future videos. These are things that we're actually going to be using to our advantage. So to get back to our video, click on the link for the affiliate page. Click on that link, and then that's going to bring you to the welcome page. And the welcome page is going to give you an overview, an affiliate overview. There are some important details that I want to point out here, because these are what's going to help separate us from probably 97% of the competition. Most people are skimming over and skipping over the information that I'm about to share with you, and it's really, really important, because it's really going to give you an edge. And here's the deal that I'm presenting to you. If you'll take the time to actually learn this stuff, you're going to be rewarded. You're going to be handsomely rewarded, because ultimately you're going to save time. So if you click on affiliate links, you're going to find affiliate links. There's more than one sales page that we have available. Where the X's are, where you see the 5 X's, that is where you put your affiliate ID, your ClickBank affiliate ID. If we click on the standard link, that is the video sales page. And now straight to the video quiz takes us to a questionnaire. And the questionnaire is actually a calculator that allows our prospect to customize the diet to their particular needs, as well as it takes into consideration gender, daily activity, food preferences, age, height, target weight, and so on. I've been in the weight loss niche for over 15 years. I love this calculator. I also like the fact that it's realistic. It doesn't shoot for low carbs. It's typically 40, 50, and even in some cases more if somebody's tall or whatever. And the reason why that's so important is that that's a lot more manageable. Originally, keto was based on about 20 carbs per day, and that's difficult. That's difficult. But when you get up around 40 or 50 or so, that's a lot easier. So if we scroll down a little bit further on the calculator, we also can see that the custom keto is fast food friendly. And talk about ammunition, because what we're doing here is we're collecting some ammunition that we're going to be using later. And this is a super hook, fast food friendly. This is a super hook that we can use later. Another bit of information that's going to help us is the fact that the portion size is specifically calculated for our prospect. If we're talking about a tall or big person, then they're going to get a larger portion. And the reason why these little things are so important is sometimes those are the triggers. Those are the things that are going to help that person to actually decide to go ahead and purchase. And to give you an idea why that little thing can be so important and can be such good ammunition, 36% of women, which is our main prospect, are above average in height. The fact that they're going to be able to get a little larger portion may be that little extra that they're going to need to make that purchase. To get back to our affiliate links, there's also a 7-day trial option for $1. One is the quiz or the questionnaire, and the other is the sales video. And those they're going to be the same, except when they decide to purchase, they're going to be taking to the trial offer instead of the full offer. And there's also a link that takes them directly to a text sales page, and I like this for several reasons. One of the reasons is that some people actually prefer text over video. I like it as an affiliate because a lot of affiliates don't give us all this stuff that Custom Keto gives us. So when I can go to a text sales page, I can go and get more ammunition from that text sales page a lot easier. The other thing I like about it is that when you offer a video version or a text version, this is a bit of what's called an alternative choice close. What that simply means is I'm not asking you to watch the video. I'm asking you, well, do you want to watch the video or do you want to read the text? And when they have a decision to make like this is also sort of like a question, and what it does is it engages our prospect at the most important time, which is that call to action. And of course this helps to bring our prospect closer to that purchase. Next is product information. If you're going to use an affiliate, it's a good idea to be familiar with that affiliate, especially whatever that product is, whatever that offer is. And this is going to actually give us all the important details. We get to see exactly what our customer is going to be purchasing, which is the 8-week meal plan. It's expertly created. Content is tailored to our customer, and it's based on calories, nutrients, macronutrients, as well as their personal food preferences. The meals are step-by-step easy. A shopping list is included, as well as help on customizing each meal, how to eat, in order to reach their goals in the fastest yet most enjoyable way possible. And next we have more testimonies. And a couple of points that I want to share with you real quick here on these testimonies. One is that there was no hunger. This is important. That it was easy to lose. That people can become proud of themselves instead of trying to cover themselves up. And how keto has ended a lifelong struggle to lose weight. That's a major issue for a lot of people. It's been a lifelong struggle to lose weight, and this will finally end that struggle. When we click on banners, you're going to see that we've got all kinds of banners, some eye-popping banners that we're going to be able to use on our website, on our blog, in our articles, and so forth. And something else that I want to share with you is, you may have heard of the word banner blind. On a keto diet content website where everything is about keto, our prospects are not going to be blind to these banners. Next is social media, and this is actually 16 social media packs, and these are images. These are sensational images, and as you can see, you really got to check them out. They're going to help you on Instagram. They're going to help you on Pinterest. They're going to help you on Facebook, Tumblr, Reddit, Mix, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. Next is landing pages. This is probably the one thing that I was a little disappointed in, because the landing page is essentially their website, their web page. Is essentially their website, their video sales page. But no problem, because when we get to landing pages, I'm going to be sharing my landing page with you. If you want to use my landing page, I'm going to give you a link that you'll be able to go in and use it as a template and real quickly get to it and edit it and customize it and so on. So next are videos, and I believe there are 92 videos. They're excellent. They're absolutely excellent videos. And these are videos that were free to use. Now, there's one thing about these videos that I want to point out, and that is the possibility of duplicate content doesn't change the video as far as the way you see the video. Like you or I will never know that it's a spun video, but it changes it up so that YouTube sees it as a totally different video, so it's not duplicate content. The only negative with the video spinner is that I could not find a free video spinner, but there are ways to avoid duplicate content. You see this on YouTube all the time, and things like adding commentary, adding your own presence, using YouTube Music. You can also let it be known that this is reused video content with the creator's permission. When you click on Lead Magnet, what you're going to see there is a PDF. This is an outstanding PDF. I'm going to show you how you can use this PDF and also how you can customize this PDF and use it on our landing page. Now, I want to just, on media buyers, what I want to do there real quick is let you know that there are people that are going to send Custom Keto Diet a lot of traffic, and you're going to be one of them. So I want you to just kind of file this in the back of your mind, because what they're going to do more for you in terms of commission when you start sending them a lot of traffic. As far as customer demographics, 80% of our market is women, so you want to keep that in mind, but 20% is still men. You're looking at between 35 and 65 as the average, as a typical age, and the countries that we can target are Canada, United States, United Kingdom, South America, Australia, and New Zealand. The articles, you're going to find four articles: 3 reasons why you want to do keto, 7 reasons why you want to do keto, and so on. So again, even more ammunition. And you'll also find keywords. Now, and email swipes, when you download that, you're going to find 5 emails, and these are killer emails. The first email's kind of a long email, but it's excellent. Every one of them is excellent. That's one thing I really like about Custom Keto Diet. Everything that they're providing for us is top of the line. As far as setting up our emails, we're already off and running, because there's our first 5 emails. Frequently asked questions. I want you to click on the third one down. Can I use materials from your website, such as logos, images, testimonies, and so forth? Can I use them for my website? We're allowed to use anything for our website. This is a major plus as well, because a lot of affiliates don't allow you to do this. In the next video, we're going to get into our landing page. I'm also going to allow you to use my landing page if you want to. Of course, customize it, change it up. You don't want duplicate content, but you'll be able to access my landing page as a template with one click if you want to do that. This is going to be all for free. And once we do it with Custom Keto, we're going to duplicate the process. One of the reasons why this training series is so fantastic is that we're going to tap into duplication. Duplication is one of the most important things, one of the most important financial levers, one of the most important financial reasons why affiliate marketers can make so much money. There's also something called residual income. So like if you're on YouTube, and YouTubers don't know it, but they're content marketers, when you put a video on YouTube, it's going to work for you today and tomorrow and the next day and so on. That's a residual effect. And then when you put another video or another website or another web page, then you've got 2 that are going to work for you, and 3 and 4 and so on. And these are all like building blocks. So there's a cumulative effect, and that's going to put money in your pocket, lots of money in your pocket, and that's going to snowball. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you found value in this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. Hit that like button if you would. While you're at it, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're not going to miss out on these videos. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.